Send some rain, would you send some rain? 'Cause the earth is dry and needs to drink again. And the sun is high and we are sinking in the shade. Would you send a cloud, thunder long and loud? Let the sky grow black and send some mercy down. Surely you can see that we are thirsty and afraid. But maybe not today. Maybe you'll provide in other ways. And if that's the case, we'll give thanks to you with gratitude for lessons learned and how to thirst for you, how to bless the very sun that warms our face if you never send us rain. Daily bread, give us daily bread. Bless our bodies, keep our children fed. Fill our cups, then fill them up again tonight. Oh, wrap us up and warm us through, tucked away beneath our sturdy roofs. Let us slumber, safe from danger's view this time. Or maybe not today. Maybe you'll provide in other ways. And if that's the case, we'll give thanks to you with gratitude, a lesson learned to hunger after you, that a starry sky offers a better view if no roof is overhead, and if we never taste that bread. Oh, the differences that often are between everything we want and what we really need. So grant us peace, Jesus, grant us peace. Move our hearts to feel a single beat between alibis and enemies tonight. Or maybe not today. Peace might be another world away. And if that's the case, we'll give thanks to you with gratitude, a lesson learned in how to trust in you, that we are blessed beyond what we could ever dream, in abundance or in need. And if you never grant us peace, but Jesus,